Hello guys and welcome to a new video. Today we're camping with the W123. The engine is still running. We came from home to this beautiful spot. My girlfriend is here inside. We have a lot of pillows laying here. Let's rev a bit and then shut the engine off. For the guys who like the engine sound, I can show you the engine. Look at this, guys. It has a bit blow by, but yeah, it's a bit. It's still a very beautiful car. I'm happy with it, and yeah, you have an ice cream. No, yeah, I don't.
The white part.
I don't want. I'm staying healthy those days, and oh, BMW. Oh my God, that's an old one.
I think it's
oh, let's shut off the engine and enjoy the silence. Let's put this pillow the thing around the back here inside.
Let's make the bed.
Yeah, my English is bad, guys. Don't mind that. Do you like sucking on the ice cream?
Bro.
Like I said, there's a lot of stuff in the back, but
those pillows we have now are a lot thicker than the ones we used last time, so I think we're gonna lay real nice.
Yeah, I hope so. And it was pretty comfortable last time.
Why you put them on the ground? That's
but it can always be more comfortable.
Better.
And a lot of you guys don't know that you can put these seats very flat, and that's a good thing. Then you only have to fill this up with pillows.
But last time what we did was we put a pillow right here, so it's at the same level, and then you can put a pillow over that big one. Let's put it down.
Let's put it down. It's not the most comfortable bed, but it's
something.
We're going to fill the
and this one.
Spaces up. We have a lot of pillows to make it comfortable, so that's very nice. Yeah. Oh my God. Oh, this is the best ever. Huh? No.
Oh no.
Oh, you were gonna sandwich them. Oh my God, this is very nice. It don't fit that satisfying. That's a bad thing.
We could have had 2 of these.
Yeah.
But tomorrow we'll do that.
Yeah, we're going to sleep here another night, guys. If you want to support me, you can buy my merchandise down below. Like this beautiful hoodie and the t-shirts. They're still available. So if you want one, buy it, and yeah, thank you. And now, this is so comfy. This is much more comfy than last time, because last time we had a big gap in the middle.
Yeah, now we can.
Yeah.
Now I can reach you.
No, we can. Can you pull on my finger?
No, get out of the car then, because you're. Oh my God.
Yeah. The sunroof. The sunroof is open.
I'm gonna die.
Oh no, the sunroof is open. Guys, if I have my station wagon, we can do this every night. And
thank you. You can't do that every night.
Yo, hey, no, I mean sleeping in this car. We can sleep every night in this car, and I will do, because I'm literally going to live in my station wagon 123, guys. I mean it. I like to live on the road and travel with my girlfriend and make good memories.
Close to me.
The engine is still running. Okay, guys. Yeah, what are we going to do? Watch a movie and then sleep, I think. Yeah. We'll update you soon, guys. Do not think weird, because we're literally going to watch a movie. Because she is winking at me, but we literally going to watch a movie. Oh no! She just pressed the horn, but she was in her underpants, and we don't have blocked the window, so the people besides us that they in the bus, I think if they were looking through the window, they saw my girlfriend in her underpants pressing the horn of the car accidentally. But yeah, it's a pretty comfy bed, I think. Bro! Oh, I blurred it.
Nee.
It's a pretty comfy bed, guys.
I need my...
Doesn't this look amazing, guys? The beautiful lights. It's almost like Christmas. My girlfriend is sleeping here. And I'm going to sleep too. And yeah. It's a cozy vibe. It's the bed is pretty nice. I've put the window a bit on a bit of a gap, so the wind can go through and the windows will not get foggy, or how you call it, I don't know. But yeah, I think we'll be having a good night, and until tomorrow, guys. And good morning. My girlfriend is still sleeping, and it's, I would say it's a beautiful day, but it's a bit cloudy. But yeah, we slept well. I think we're gonna do some breakfast. I'm going to put some clothes on, and then we're gonna drive a bit. Let's start the engine. Nice and smooth. The window is a bit slow to open, so I need to help it with my head. Yeah. Oh, and it's cold outside. Alright, guys. Now I can put my hoodie on, my beautiful The Classic Drive hoodie. You're sitting on it.
Sorry.
Thanks. Oh, and it's warm. The hoodie is warm, guys. That's the best thing on this hoodie. Yeah, look at this. I think you need to buy one too. Then you have style. You look good. No, it's your own choice. You don't need to. It's a cool accessory in your car, I think. Oh, fresh air is good. Look at my hair. Okay, sorry. I'm a funny boy. That's a good thing. I'm a funny boy.
I'm funnier.
I am. Oh. All right. Let's start the engine again and close the sunroof. Last time we slept in the W123, all the windows were foggy. I don't know, condensed. I don't know how to call it in English. But now we had two windows open, and now the windows aren't condensed. So that's a very nice thing. And we don't need to dry the windows. So yeah, nice. Smooth. Right now we're heading to our breakfast spot, and yeah, I've made some beautiful shots for you, some beautiful camera angles. I've tried something new, and we risked our beautiful camera, and now we are on our beautiful breakfast spot, guys. It's a beautiful view with a little boat. It's a little fisherman boat, and yeah, this is the tiniest, how do I call it? Dock? Haven. The tiniest, the tiniest place where you have boats on Europe.
Where you have boats.
Yeah, the tiniest.
I also have a boat in my backyard.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, and this is definitely big.
It's a beautiful spot, like I said. And now we're going to take some breakfast. I'm going to eat this entire bucket of yogurt in 10 minutes or something. It's empty. No. Yeah, definitely. We have a treasure. Oh,
bomb!
Lovely pizza. It's spent all night laying in the trunk, but yeah, we had some.
Oh, that's nice.
We had some pizza from yesterday, and yeah, it's nice. Nice. If I do this,
a little bit weird breakfast.
The pizza is finished. No, it's really finished, and it's finished. It tastes very good. Put it away. Oh. It was very good, very nice, and yeah, lovely.
There's a spider.
Nom 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 nom. Oh. It's really good. Yeah, it's really good. No, it's really good. A bit spicy. It's a pizza pesto with chicken, but it's really good. Okay guys, we're on our way again. We're standing on a different spot. I just made some new camera angle shots. But yeah, let's drive again. Start the engine. Pre-glow it. And there we go. Oh,